Need to export Claude to PDF? I'll show you two easy methods, including one that lets you save only the messages you choose. First, open the Claude conversation you want to save. For the fastest method, press Ctrl and P on Windows, or Command and P on a Mac. This opens your browser's print window. Under Destination, choose Save as PDF. Adjust the layout if needed, and then click Save. Open the PDF, and you'll see the full Claude conversation. This method is quick, but may also include parts of the website interface. For a cleaner result, install the Claude Exporter extension. I've included the extension link in the description below. Once it's installed, return to Claude and refresh the page. A new export button will appear in the top right corner. Click the Export PDF button and wait while the extension creates the document. Save the file and then open it. Now the entire conversation is formatted as a clean, easy-to-read PDF without the extra browser interface. You can also export just one specific section of the conversation. Go back to Claude, click the checkmark icon, and select the message you want. Then click Export PDF again. Open the new file, and only your selected message is included. For more Claude tips, watch the next video.